I'm using the helmet. I can't fit in the Powerbeats Pro, and the AirPods is a little uncomfortable because it's really tight with the helmet on. So I guess with this I need an adapter to go straight into my helmet right in front. So this is a sound test. You can probably hear the sound and everything, or you can probably hear the wind. Can you hear? Can you see? Can you hear the wind from my Powerbeats? I'm using the Powerbeats. I had to borrow a motorcycle just to do this, just to see the sound. But it's a little awkward. I'll take a picture of it later. How the setup is in this camera. And I forgot my phone with me, so if I get into trouble, I guess it'll be SOL. I usually ride my bicycle, but not at the moment. I think that this thing has a better feel to the wind if I go fast. See the wind? Yeah. So can you hear me if I talk like this while I'm going about 40 kilometers in a residential area? I guess that's about 25 miles per hour. And then we can hear the wind at the same time. Yeah. So I have a helmet at home. I'm just not wearing it because this Powerbeats Pro is actually thicker than my AirPods, and I'm only setting up the One R with Powerbeats. So let's see how this goes again. Hopefully you can still hear me, even though I'm using a mask. At the same time, going really fast. The setting of the sound is set to the wind noise reduction rather than the. Yeah, I hope this camera will hold onto the body of this motorcycle. I just slap it on and hope for the best. Woo. Like that speed bump. Speed bumps are ridiculous. So many of them. Jeez. This my mountain bike has better suspension than this. I'm not complaining. Just making differences. But yeah, this is wind noise from the Powerbeats to the One R with the Bluetooth. Hopefully it records, otherwise this will be I can hear me or not. But I'm pretty sure people are looking at me weird. Okay. I mean, why do I have this camera on top of my head and it's facing just on my butt? You know, it's like weird. It's not like in 360, I'm far away and my house clothing, very comfortable. I'm gonna go as far as maybe about 2 meters. I don't know how many feet that is. And now I'm going through the basketball area, indoor basketball. Now I'm in my play seat. Yeah, can you hear that? How about this? I'm gonna close and, can you hear that? Yeah, well, this is a test, audio test. Let's see if you can hear me. So now I'm doing the audio test with my Powerbeats Pro. Let's see, now I'm outside. I'm gonna put the camera. You can see this is running, and so this fish pond is running. You can probably hear it drip as I get closer. The Powerbeats gets closer to this. You can hear it. But maybe if I get further away, I'm gonna put my sandal on all the way over here. Now I'm about 2 meters. Now about 3 meters. It's, I don't know how long this Bluetooth thing can handle, but here I'm getting back closer and closer. And that's the audio test. Hopefully you can hear me with this audio test, with this Powerbeats here.